Hi everyone, my name is Navneesh and you're watching English with Navneesh. In this video, I will talk about how to improve your language, that is, how to improve your English. And in this video, I will talk about a universal concept to improve your English, that is the RLP concept. So before we start with this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, visit my channel and watch my other videos that I have uploaded related to English. So let's start this video. Thank you so much. Let's talk about the universal method to improve your English. The universal method is RLP. In all these steps, I will talk about why, what, and when. So let's look at the first step, that is R. Now R stands for read. Why you should read? Reading helps you to increase your vocabulary. It helps you to create a word bank. Reading helps you to change your mindset. It helps you to increase your thinking. It helps you to increase your imagination. And that's the reason you should read. Whenever you read, you should have an aim that today I'm reading to learn something new. Second, what you should read and what you should do while reading. Now, what you should read. Forget the concept of reading newspapers. Reason, 5 to 10 years ago, English was available or easily available only through newspapers because we used to purchase newspapers on a daily basis. Everything has changed now. English is available online. English is available through applications. Kindle is a great app through which you can read a lot of books. You can also read articles online. Everyone has a smartphone nowadays. You can also install the applications to read something new. So that's what you should read. Also, read things that interest you. For example, if you're interested in yoga, read an article on yoga. If you're interested in sports, read an article related to sports. If you're interested in politics, read an article related to politics. If you're a manager, read an article related to managerial behaviors. So interests that read that interests you. That is important. What you should do while reading. You should always have a notepad and a pencil along with you, because whenever you have a word, a new word that you have read it for the first time, immediately write down that word in your notepad. Besides that, write down the meaning of that word. Along with that, write down 3 sentences which includes that word. For example, write down the first sentence which is available from the book that you're reading. Write down the second sentence which is available from Google. Third sentence, make your own sentence which you can use in your daily conversation. Okay, so that you should do while reading. That's about the first step. The second step is listen. Now, why should you listen? As when you read, reading helps you to increase your vocabulary and your word bank. Listening helps you to improve your pronunciation. At times, there are new words that you have come across and you don't know the pronunciation. So it is important that you need to listen. Listening helps you to improve your pronunciation. What you should listen? You can listen anything that is available in English. Netflix is an amazing app. It's a paid subscription app. So you can listen to English movies. You can listen to English web series. I would recommend watch web series and movies which are UK based more than US based, because US based movies and web series they will have a lot of slangs, because US English will have a lot of slangs. UK based web series and movies, it will not have that many slangs, and that's a perfect English. So watch or listen to UK based movies or UK based web series. That's what you should listen. When you should listen, there is no time frame. You can listen anytime that you want. You can listen when you get up in the morning, you can listen midday, you can listen end of the day when you go off to sleep. Moreover, it will be preferable when you're traveling. You can listen when you're traveling. Don't read when you're traveling. That's my personal recommendation, because when you read, you need a lot of concentration. So you can listen a lot of things when you're traveling, because nowadays we travel a lot. So listen when you're traveling. That's a second step. Third step is practice. Why you should practice. Now, before I talk about why should we practice, now practice means talk to people in English, talk to your friends in English, talk to your colleagues in English. That's absolutely fine. Talk to everybody in English. Yes, people will make fun of you. That's absolutely fine. Don't think about that. Your main aim is that I want to improve. Okay, I want to make an impact in my life. I want to go ahead in my career. So forget that. People will make fun of you. Don't worry about that. So when I say practice, it's important that you should talk in English with everyone that you come across. Why you should practice? Because whatever you have read, whatever you have listened, you have to implement that. Because if you don't implement it, reading and listening will be a waste. So that's the reason you should practice. What you should practice? You can practice anything. Okay, if you're walking, if you saw a hoarding in English, make sure that you read aloud. That's important. That's absolutely fine. If people are watching you, that's absolutely okay. You can talk in English whatever that comes in your mind, because you have read a lot, you have listened a lot, so vocabulary will be there. You will have a lot of vocabularies. Then you should practice. You can practice anytime that you want. You can stand in front of the mirror and you can speak in English. That's absolutely fine. When you're going for an interview, that time you can practice. When you're going for a meeting, that time you can practice. So again, there is no particular time slot or time frame that when should I practice. You can practice anytime. Even if you're sitting alone, if you're thinking something, if you're thinking about your future goal, think about that future goal in English. Thinking in English will help you to reduce Indianism or common errors in English. So that will be my next video, wherein I will talk about how to avoid common errors in English, or how to avoid Indianism. So these are the 3 steps to improve your English. I will recap. Read, because reading helps you to improve your vocabulary. It helps to create a word bank. Listening helps you to improve your pronunciation. Practice helps you to implement whatever you have read, whatever you have listened. So read, listen, and practice to improve your language. Before I stop the video, I would like to give you one tip. Learning is a process. It's not a one-time activity. Remember that. So if you think that my English has improved, stop right then and there. Because learning is a process. It's not a one-time activity. You need to polish your skills all the time. So don't stop learning. Don't stop reading. Don't stop listening. Don't stop practicing. With that, I will stop this video. And if you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends, families who require this video, who is learning English, who is trying to improve or make an impact in their career or in their lives. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can definitely comment in the comment section, and watch my next video on how to avoid common errors in English or how to avoid Indianism. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.